Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well. Today I am going to unbox this Hot Wheels, which is name is King Kuda. It is part of HW Art Cars. And the number is 8 out of 10 and the total is around 152 of 250. I bought this from Blinkit at MRP price, which is 179. As you can see here, it is the 179 rupees card. The combination of gold and red, I very much like it actually. As and you can see here, this is a king symbol or paint design is here, and the card is magnificent. As you can see here, the gold texture of the backside and the wheels are gold color in, and the exposed engine is here also in gold color, and the front. And as you can see here, I think you guys can see here in this inside of the card, it is also plated gold in gold color. And oh, as you can see here, here is a which is a ace. Design is also here, and the king in the backside, king logo is in backside. So we let's unbox this pack. I can't wait for this. So let's unbox. So let's unbox this. Just kidding, I have already unboxed this pack. So let me bring this out. So here it is, the King Kuda itself. As you can see here, the color is so very good. I really love this color. Actually, just look at this. The inside of the card is pure gold in gold color. As you can see here, let me zoom it. As you can see here, the color inside the color is totally gold. The exposed engine is also in gold, and the wheels are made really good. It is looking little, I know it is not looking in a real car, but hey, look at this, the color and the whole the symbols. Oh acha, great. In the one side it is a king logo is designed, and the other one is designed with the queen one. It's really good. Let's see. Here it is. As you can see here in the back, it is written polymoth bracket. I don't know why it is like this. Usually it should written in King Kuda, but in my scenario it is something another name is here. It is made in Malaysia. Okay, it is metal is here, and it is if UXX5 is there. And as you can see here, the design of the inside and back end is here, and the logo is also here in the, as you can. So in this card they have symbolized three cards. One is queen, another one is ace, and another one is king. So I actually really like this card. Hope you guys will also love it. Okay, the zoom it got zoomed out. Okay, now it is clearly clear again, I hope. So the card is a little lighter side. Yeah, I can say it is not as much heavy like other. I do have other cards also. Let me know if you want to review of those cards. Also I will review it. I do have around 27 cards on total, and right now with this one it will be 28. Okay, so I really like this card. So this is King Kuda. Let me know how much you like it. Give a comment or share, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. Okay, so this video is for now. Hope we will meet again. Thumbs up.